Welcome back. MGP leader Sudhin Thavrikar clarified that the statement made by MP Shripad Naik on Dinar Tarkar's cabinet berth is a mistake. He said that MGP will decide about cabinet berths that will be allotted to them if they come to power. MP Shripad Naik said that his statement has been misinterpreted. Naik had earlier made a statement that Dinar Tarkar will not be inducted in the cabinet.
BJP आणि MGP जे लिडर आसा श्रीपाद नायक, मनोहर पर्रीकर आणि आमचे हांव स्वता दीपक ढवळीकर, लहू मामलेदार अशे बसून कॅबिनेट स्टेटस डिसायड करतले. एक किंवा दोग जाण सांगता म्हणून ताजेर आमी हें दवरचें ना, कारण आमकां शेवट बरें सरकार दिवपाचें आसा. आनी काल जो स्टेटमेंट आयला ह्या हेचेर एका उच्च हेचो तो चुकून आयिल्लो आसा.
MP Shripad Naik says that his statement has been misinterpreted. He clarified that MGP leaders would decide the candidates to be inducted in the cabinet. He was clarifying his earlier statement that Dinar Tarkar would not be inducted in the cabinet.
महाराष्ट्रवादी गोमंतक पार्टीन कोणाक मंत्रीपद दिवप हो त्या पक्षाचो हें आसा. आमचें ऑब्जेक्शन कांय ना आनी कदाचित जे चुकीच्या अर्थान म्हजो हें घेतलो आसतलो म्हणून हांव परत क्लॅरिफाय करता की जे कोण MG ठरयतली जर आमची सत्ता येतलीच मेजॉरिटी आमकां मेळटलीच आनी आमचे पार्टनर जे आसा ते MG ठरयतली कोणाक दिवपाचो हो अधिकार तांचो आसा आनी म्हणून ह्या बद्दल कोणें गैरसमज करून घेवचो न्ही.
I reported Devidas Kamli with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
NCP Goa desk in charge Praful Patel has said that some people are perverting the honesty of Anna Hazare. Patel says Team Anna is getting exposed gradually on their acts. He made the statement referring to Kejriwal's No Voting Act.
केजरीवाल जी ने जो बयान दिया है, मैंने भी अखबार में देखा कि पहले तो वो चल पड़े एयरपोर्ट के लिए, फिर आप लोगों ने कुछ टीवी पे चलाया तो भाग के दौड़ पड़े वापस अपना वोटिंग स्टेशन पे. ये भी मालूम नहीं कि वोटिंग स्टेशन कौन सा है. तो ऐसा तो ये सब देखिए धीरे धीरे इनका जो पर्दाफाश हो चुका है और लोगों को मालूम है कि अब ये अन्ना जी के बारे में मैं कहूँगा कि वो बहुत अच्छे व्यक्ति हैं, क्योंकि हम महाराष्ट्र के, हम भी उनको जानते हैं कि एक बहुत सज्जन और बहुत ही जिसको कहते हैं कि अच्छे विचारों के व्यक्ति है. उनकी सोच अच्छी है, नेक है, और उनके सोच और नेक विचारों को कुछ लोगों की तरफ से दुरुपयोग किया जा रहा है.
Praful Patel also assured that Goans will soon see Mopa Greenfield Airport project getting through.
Dabolim is now being upgraded to a world-class airport with more than 600 crores of investment. It will be ready by the end of this year, and also that we will see that Mopa also comes up in the near future.
NCP has toed the line of Congress on the MOI issue. However, Patel also reiterated NCP's stand that educationists should decide a policy on medium of instruction. Our reporter in Panji Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Mayana Kurturi police have arrested Preetham Indrajit Prasad, a suspect in the Manjit Fernandes murder case. Preetham hails from Ratnagiri. Manjit was murdered at Rain dance party in Nuwai last Wednesday. However, the reason behind the murder is unknown.
Police have successfully managed to nab one person, Preetham Indrajit Prasad, in the Manjit Fernandes murder case. Police are considering Indrajit a suspect. Police team of PI Ramesh Kaunkar, PSI Krishna Sinari, Police Constables Gorakhnath Gaus, Ajay Naik and Samir Maratha successfully nabbed the suspect. The motive behind the murder, however, is still not known. It may be recalled that on 22nd February, Manjit Fernandes was stabbed to death at a rain dance party of Carnival in Nuwai. Manjit was 24-year-old, freelance DJ and a student of Shipbuilding Institute. He was declared dead at Hospicio Hospital in Madgaon. Our reporter in Kutturi, Savio Dias.
Leader of opposition in Lok Sabha Sushma Swaraj says Congress-led government of Goa is totally corrupt. She says there is corruption at every level. She was addressing a rally in Bicholi for BJP candidate Manohar Shirodkar.
25,000 करोड़ के अवैध खनन के घोटाले से जो सूची शुरू होती है मित्रों, वो SCZ के लैंड अलॉटमेंट घोटाले से आगे बढ़ती हुई PPP प्रोजेक्ट्स घोटाला, PWD कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स घोटाला, पब्लिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम घोटाला, PVC टैंक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन घोटाला, हॉर्टिकल्चर वेजिटेबल्स घोटाला, और इन सब एकदम से आगे बढ़ती हुई यूनिवर्सल हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस स्कीम के घोटाले तक पहुंचती है। यानी जहां सरकारी पैसा लगा वहां हाथ डालो तो गड्ढा है, जहां सरकारी पैसा लगा वहां जांच करो तो घोटाला है।
Sushma Swaraj was addressing a public meet in Bicholi. BJP candidate Manohar Shirodkar, Goa desk in charge of BJP Aarti Mehra and others were present for the meet. Manohar Shirodkar is hopeful of winning from Bicholi.
आज जी उमेदवारी जी मनोहर शिरोडकरांक मेळिल्ली आसा, खऱ्या अर्थान ही उमेदवारी माझी नाही, तर ही उमेदवारी जी आसा की तळागळाक जे वावुरणारे जीवाक जीव दिवपी कसले दीस रात अजी परवा न करणारे कार्यकर्त्यांक दिल्ली ही उमेदवारी आसा.
Our reporter in Bicholi, Uday Parab.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.